Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're trying to connect a wireless headset to your Xbox Series S using USB, it can feel confusing, especially when you plug it in and nothing happens. Many users expect all USB headsets to work instantly, but Xbox consoles only support specific types of USB wireless receivers or officially compatible devices. That's why your headset might not be detected right away. The good thing is that if your headset supports USB wireless dongle connection, the setup is actually very simple. Once you follow the correct steps, you'll be able to enjoy clear game audio and voice chat without any hassle. Try these. Step 1. Plug the USB wireless dongle of your headset into the Xbox Series S. Step 2. Turn on your wireless headset. Step 3. Wait for the headset and dongle to pair automatically. Step 4. If needed, press the pair button on the headset or dongle. Step 5. Go to Settings, then General, then Volume and Audio Output on Xbox. Step 6. Set the headset as your audio and chat device